I would now request Mrs. Yofa ma'am to please come up on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence here along with sir. Thank you, press. Thank you so much. And now I would request Kiran Raheja ma'am to please come up here on stage to give a word of thanks and also a VIP tour of the expo.
Our honored guests, Highness Excellence Dr. Liu, Sri Lanka Consulate, Madam Saroj, Ramesh from Oni, Sumit ji, and Mr. Suresh Kotak ji, and all the guests seated here. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a note of thanks on this occasion. I, Kiran Raheja, on behalf of Sentinel Exhibitions Asia Private Limited, my colleague and CEO Mr. Mitesh Kapadia and Mrs. Preeti Mitesh Kapadia, Director of Sentinel Exhibitions, and the entire supporting organizations, team, crew, and even the special guests in the audience. Let me call it the tea, coffee or hot beverages fraternity present here together. And on my behalf, extend a hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and valuable opinions today. I must mention my deep sense of appreciation for Mr. Ramesh ji and Sumit ji for his explanation on the industry. Further, we are grateful to Shri Kotak ji for his presence today in spite of his busy schedule, and above all, Our Highness Dr. Liu and Madam Nilofa and Mrs. Saroj, thank you so much for coming here. I would like to express a sincere thanks to all our journalists seated here for giving us an excellent coverage. We heartily thank all of you for giving in your precious time and being present here to grace this event. We are all inspired by your great words. A big applause to all of you. I would also like to thank all the associations who have supported World Tea Coffee Expo as it is called WTC. We would like to thank Tea Board of India, Tea Association of USA, Tea Association of Italy, Alimado, Specialty Coffee Association of Europe, Federation of All India Tea Traders Association, Bombay Tea Traders Association, DMCC Tea Center, SISTA, Darjeeling Tea Association, SME Chamber of India, PIAI, and in case if I have not taken any name, we are thankful to all those who have supported us in making this event a big success. I will not forget to thank our online media partners, TradeIndia.com, TradeForIndia.com, FoodDubai.com, Alibaba.com, Food and Beverage Online and CommodityOnline.com. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and genuine efforts in making this event happen, but would like to thank all of them, be it our team members Zankana, Ankita, Anaji, and all our media partners and all the people involved in making this exhibition and conference a success. We hereby thank all of you once again and are grateful to all the speakers and guests. We thank you for being here with us this morning. It's been a great pleasure. And with this I end my note of thanks and also expect a good business from China and Sri Lanka and all the companies from this fraternity to be a part in the future coming years. Thank you so much. Thanks from the Sentinel team. Thanks a lot.
It was a wonderful vote of thanks for all the people present out here. And now I would request all the people to have a group picture. Yeah? Alright. Thank you.
May I just say that until this show becomes the authentic show for the Tea and Coffee Center. Thank you.
Now do the VIP tour of the expo and enjoy the entire exhibition. Thank you.
I know that. Yes. नाम का एक्सचेंज देख लेना
जबरदस्त कैमरा लगे हो आप.
Easy to carry.
Easy. Thanks.